Firstly, place your step ladder below the light, ensuring it is stable. Turn the lights off, either by the switch or turning off from the mains. If you turn the lights off from the switch, cover this with tape to ensure no one turns it back on while you are working. Turn the chrome light cover clockwise to unscrew it. This will drop the bulb and chrome cover together from the ceiling and expose the wiring. Hold the bulb and chrome cover together and turn clockwise to release them from the holder. Replace the light bulb. Reverse the steps by turning the bulb and cover anti-clockwise back into the ceiling.